IIT Kanpur has established Technopark in order to catalyze the collaboration between industry and academia. And under this initiative, Technopark IIT Kanpur has collaborated with Elimco Kanpur to give some solutions for COVID-19. We have developed a disinfection tunnel which is very unique. Unlike other tunnels, it has 3 levels of treatment in which we have disinfectant spray heat treatment as well as safe UV disinfection systems. The design of this tunnel has been done by IIT Kanpur students in Technopark, and the fabrication structural development has been done in Elimco Kanpur, and the instrumentation again has been done by the companies established in the Technopark. So it's a fine example of industry academia collaboration in this hour of crisis to deal with COVID-19, and we hope that this will help the economy to open up.
This is a fully automated disinfected tunnel which is having ultrasonic sensors at different points in it, which automatically senses a person, whether a person is at the entry point, has entered into the tunnel or not, or is there any particular person inside the chamber, existing in the chamber. So this automated tunnel has a very efficient process in it, because of when the disinfection liquid sprays up whenever it detects whether the person is in the chamber or not. And also it has a heating chamber which turns on heater and fan according to the sense of a person.
We have joined hands with the IIT Kanpur, which is our natural partner, in developing this tunnel project, and we are very happy to say that we have done it in a very record time, and we will be able to provide the humanity with a high quality disinfectant tunnel which can be used in industry, in academia and in the public places for disinfecting the persons and the material as well. We are hopeful that as soon as efficacy test is done, we shall be able to manufacture it from our all factories in 5 locations across the India, and we can start production within 15 days.